Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Magnedots is probably one of the most versatile and innovative magnetic building toys available today, offering a unique blend of educational value and pure fun for kids and adults alike. These aren't just simple magnets, they're precision-engineered components that allow for the creation of complex structures, intricate designs, and even functional kinetic art, pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible with magnetic construction. If you're looking for a toy that sparks creativity, enhances spatial reasoning, and provides hours of engaging, screen-free entertainment, Magnedots might just be the perfect addition to your collection, promising a captivating experience that grows with your imagination. Number 5. PicassoTiles 100-piece magnet building tiles. Dream big and build big with our magnetic tiles. There are no limitations, allowing you to scale your creations as high as you desire. Add more pieces to create your masterpiece. It's never too early to start developing your child's creativity. They can acquire a strong sense of color, geometrical shapes, and architectural design from a young age. These tiles provide entertainment for individuals or groups, fostering a sense of achievement together. It's a great way to spend quality time with family and loved ones. Encourage creativity, a key factor for success in today's ever-changing world. These fun and entertaining educational presents for school-aged children will never go out of style. Unlock creativity beyond imagination with these clear 3D magnetic building blocks. They are easy to construct and simple to put away for storage, perfect for preschool and pretend play. What we like. This set offers endless building possibilities, allowing kids to dream big and construct whatever their imagination conjures. If you're looking for a toy that grows with your child and encourages collaborative play, this is the one. It's perfect for families who want to spend quality time together while fostering creativity. What people say. The quality is excellent, the tiles are sturdy, colorful, and easy for little hands to work with. It comes with a variety of shapes and a booklet that suggests different things to build. The magnets hold very well. Great quality magnets, tiles snap together securely and stay connected. Endless creative possibilities, towers, houses, even animals and vehicles. Clear, colorful design, fun to look at and builds into impressive 3D shapes. Number 4. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone your critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as you become engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This builds communication and reasoning skills while having fun. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for those who love logic games and creative problem solving. You'll learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. What we like. This game is a fantastic blend of fun and education, designed to challenge young minds. If you have a child aged 8 to 12 who loves logic puzzles and STEM challenges, this will keep them engaged for hours. It's an ideal gift for fostering problem-solving skills in a playful way. What people say. It helps boost creativity, problem-solving skills, and confidence in children. It's a great substitute for screen time and provides hands-on learning. It challenges both kids and adults to think spatially and logically to solve the puzzles. The pieces are high quality, and the challenges range from easy to difficult. It's a fantastic brain teaser and a great break from screens. The variety of challenge cards and different skill levels really help keep it engaging. He flew through the beginner levels and gets excited every time he sets up the maze and the marble runs through correctly. Number 3. MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece Magnetic Construction Set. Discover the MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece set, the original magnetic building toy. It's the most celebrated set in magnetic construction, featuring classic geometric shapes. This set includes 32 translucent geometric shapes in 6 vibrant colors. You'll find squares and triangles in various sizes, perfect for building. It's more than just a toy, it's a certified STEAM toy. It aids in developing fine motor skills, creativity, and cognitive abilities. This is the ideal starter set for children aged 3 and up. It's a great gift to spark their imagination and encourage exploration. Start with this classic set and watch where your child's imagination takes them. The possibilities for building are endless. All pieces are designed to be compatible with every other MAGNA-TILES set. Expand your collection and build even bigger creations. Our pieces are built to last, designed for countless hours of play. Safety is guaranteed with secure magnets and durable construction. What we like. As the original magnetic building brand, this set provides a classic and reliable construction experience. If you're looking for a foundational set that's safe, durable, and compatible with all other sets in the line, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for introducing young children to the world of magnetic building. What people say. The magnets are strong enough to hold structures together but still easy for little hands to use. The pieces feel sturdy and safe, and it encourages imagination and learning. Super durable and great quality. Magnetic strength is strong. Easy to store and keep clean. Number 2. LEGO City Great Vehicles Holiday Camper Van 60283. Get ready for a fun-filled vacation with this amazing camper van toy. It's designed for exciting role-play adventures right out of the box. This toy comes with everything you need for a pretend getaway. It includes figures of a family, a cozy interior, and even a kitchenette. Unpack the accessories like a camping stove, food, and a baby carrier to create your perfect campsite. It's all about enjoying the great outdoors. Imagine driving to a scenic spot, setting up your camp, and enjoying a delightful family picnic. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. Building is a breeze with the included guide and the free LEGO app. It's perfect for little hands ready for big adventures. Looking for a birthday or holiday surprise? This toy car offers hours of entertainment and sparks creativity for boys and girls alike. What we like. This toy brings the joy of a family holiday right into your child's hands with its detailed camper van. If you're looking for a gift that encourages imaginative role-playing and storytelling, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love vehicles and enjoy recreating everyday scenarios with their minifigure family. What people say. The pieces are still manageable for little hands, but the design offers a fun challenge that helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It has a nice balance of fun construction and playful interaction, making it a well-rounded choice for kids who enjoy both building and creative play. Even though it's a simple toy, it reminds one of the real thing with its detailed and realistic design. The inclusion of 2 minifigures adds so much character, making it feel like you're actually on a road trip or traveling adventure. Number 1. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, a magical way for your child to learn and play. It combines physical pieces with a Fire tablet to bring games to life. This kit features award-winning games designed to make learning fun and engaging. Watch as their actions with the game pieces are mirrored on the screen. It helps children develop crucial skills like pre-reading, letter formation, and phonics. They can also explore creativity by designing outfits and building anything they imagine. Designed for ages 3-5+, these games encourage exploration and learning through experimentation in a stress-free environment. It's perfect for solo play or with a parent. Inside the box, you'll find everything needed to get started, including the Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, sticks and rings for forming letters and numbers, and 4 engaging game apps. This kit is compatible with select Fire tablet models. Please check the compatibility details to ensure it works with your device. What we like. This kit transforms a tablet into an interactive learning station, making education magical for young children. If you have a Fire tablet and are looking for engaging ways to teach your 3 to 5-year-old about letters, numbers, and shapes, this is an outstanding option. It's perfect for parents who want to supplement early learning with fun, hands-on activities. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. The mixture of hands-on learning and technology is very well balanced. I like that my daughter can practice problem solving while also being creative. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.